Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic noise in FM receiver. Here we can see this topic in detail. It is the model of FM receiver in which we applied FM signal as input. Here ST is our FM signal and noise omega t is Gaussian noise which is applied and added to the FM signal. This both signal is added and going to band pass filter which gives the combination of signal xt, which is a summation of FM signal and noise signal. Now we can pass this signal in limiter. Limiter is a circuit which is when the frequency of FM signal is changed but amplitude remains constant. The limiter is basically used to provide the value of FM signal, and when noise is added to the FM wave, the limiter is mainly used for stopping to change the amplitude of FM wave. It is very useful. Now we can pass the signal with the discriminator, which has two parts, slope detector and envelope detector. It is mainly used for remove the effect of noise in the signal. It is mainly used to effect of the noise, which mainly used to corrupt our FM signal. Now we can pass this signal in low pass filter, baseband low pass filter, which mainly used to pass our FM signal, and we get our desired output signal in terms of FM. Now we can see this topic in detail. Noise omega t is wide Gaussian noise with zero mean value and power spectral density n upon 2. ST represent received FM signal having a carrier frequency Fc and transmission bandwidth Vt. We assume that all the transmitted power lies inside the frequency band Fc plus minus Vt upon T. Bandpass filter has midband frequency Fc and bandwidth Bt, which is necessary to pass FM signal without distortion. XT is our filtered version of noise omega t and are having in phase and quadrature components. In FM only the carrier frequency is changed and the amplitude remain constant, but due to noise added to FM wave, its amplitude changes. To avoid this from happening, an amplitude limiter is connected after bandpass filter. FM discriminator consists of two parts, namely a slope narrowband and an envelope detector. A post detection low pass filter is connected after discriminator, whose bandwidth is just large enough to pass high frequency component of message signal. This will remove all the out of band frequency and noise present in discriminator output, which is necessary to minimize the effect of noise in the output. The output bandpass filter consists of filtered noise component xt of input noise omega t. Now we can see the signal xt in terms of signal. Here xt is nit cos 2 pi fct minus n naught t sin 2 pi fct. Nt can be expressed in terms of its envelope and phase as follows: xt is equal to st cos 2 pi fct plus psi t, where rt is equal to under root ni square t plus n naught t square. Now we can calculate phase psi t, which is equal to tan inverse n naught t upon nit. FM wave at the input is given as st ec cos 2 pi fct plus 2 pi kf integration of mt into dt. ec is our carrier amplitude, kf is our frequency sensitivity, mt is our message signal, phi t is 2 pi kf integration of mt into dt. Now we can see the signal st is ec cos 2 pi fct plus phi t. The noise signal at the band pass filter output is xt is equal to st plus nt. xt is ec cos 2 pi st plus phi t plus rt cos 2 pi fct plus psi t. Output signal to noise ratio, power spectral density of noise at the output SN0F. Now the power spectral density SNF is equal to N0 F square upon EC square. So average output noise power is minus W to W SN0F is equal to minus W to W N0 F square EC square DF, which is equal to N0 N0 upon EC square minus integration of minus omega to omega F square df N0 EC square F cube upon 3, which from minus omega to omega. Now we can put the value of both limits and we get N0 upon 3 EC square is equal to 2 omega cube N0 upon 3 EC square, which gives our output noise power. Now we calculate signal to noise ratio for the output, which is, so the average output signal power is k f square p. So SNR0 is equal to k f square p into 3 EC square upon 2n naught omega square. Input or channel signal power, the average in FM signal is E square by 2. Average noise power is message bandwidth 2 omega. Which is equal to 2 omega N0 by 2 omega N0. So we can calculate input noise power SNR is equal to SNRC EC square upon 2 upon omega N0, which gives the value EC square upon 2 omega N0. Now we can calculate figure of merit for FM receiver, which is the ratio of signal to noise ratio of the output to upon signal to noise ratio at input. 3 EC square kf square upon p upon 2 N0 omega cube upon EC q square 2 omega N0, which gives value 3 kf square p upon omega square, which gives the value of figure of merit for FM receiver. Here hence we can see the noise in FM receiver. If you have any query, then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.